Hello guys, my name is Bachi. Today I want to show you how rosemary is grown from cuttings. Things I needed. I have my rosemary, I have my cutter, I have my water bottle and a bucket of water. To grow your rosemary, you need to take off some of the leaves at the base for the root to emerge. I want to show you what I did 2 weeks ago and their results now. After the roots emerge, you need to plant your rosemary in a nursery bag with a soil. Thank you for watching our video. Yay!